And yes, the time has come. CapCut introduces Seedance 2.5, and you can use it right now. Everything you're about to see in this video was generated exclusively by me. I made these 5 ads with just one product image, without leaving my computer, without photo shoots, without a film crew, without an editor, and without jumping between 6 online tools. Everything within CapCut PC with the new Seedance 2.5 AI engine integrated. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the full workflow, step by step, so you can do it too, for any product, and start charging real brands for it. So the first thing you must do, and it's imperative, is to go directly to the official link that you'll find in both the description and the pinned comment to this video. You just have to click the download button that's right above my head, right here, and you'll download it directly and be able to access the latest Seedance 2.5 model. Don't search for the app on Google because you might install old versions that don't include all the new features I'm going to show you in today's video. If you work with brands, have an online store, or manage a business of social media, you know the problem. They give you one photo and want 20 versions for Reels, TikTok, Stories, and various ads. Before, that meant a photographer, a film crew, an external editor, and a big budget. Resources that most local businesses don't have. And the time? 3 weeks minimum for a decent campaign, while the brand is already asking for the next one. With Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut PC, everything happens in one program in one afternoon of work. And I'll prove it to you right now, starting from scratch with a product image. Alright, and being inside CapCut PC, we have a lot of new features. And of course, they incorporated the new Seedance 2.5 a few hours or just over a day ago, with which we'll be able to do everything, but they've also added many interesting things to CapCut PC, like AI Video, Edit Pilot, AI Edit, and AI Extend. We're going to be using all of these toolbars today. In the end, they're like 4 superpowers. AI Video, where we have Seedance 2.5, Edit Pilot, which will act as the editor that does the editing, AI Edit for the most natural retouches possible, AI Edit for natural language, and AI Extend to extend our videos. And we're going to work with this product, this bottle called Aurea Bloom. It's completely fictional. I made it up entirely, and we're just starting from this one image. So we're going to create a project completely from scratch, as you can see, since we're going to do the whole workflow together here. So the first thing we'll do is select AI Video, and then select Dream in a Seedance 2.5, which has 30-second clips and up to 50 modes. Well, it's just incredible, because 50 assets is a lot of multimodal assets. Then we just need the configuration, which is up to 30 seconds. You can select the quality and the number of generations, and in this case 16:9, which is what we're working with right now in CapCut PC and Dream in a Seedance 2.5. So let's start with the most important part, image to video. We have our bottle, we have the prompt, we have Seedance 2.5, and we have, of course, the 30 seconds, 720, 16:9. Let's generate it now, starting from a single image. And here it is, the same bottle, 30 seconds. Besides, it feels really strange. It's the first video in Seedance 2.5 I've made, and on top of that, it's inside CapCut PC, 30 seconds long, where we see that engine perfection. I'm honestly blown away by it. The same gold cap as the image, all the references, just like the previous image we had. And now we've brought it to life. We can even put it on the big screen. The detail is incredible. It's insane. And then that gets rendered. And we'll do the same to get some B-roll, which will be text to video, which will work great for our little campaign. Besides having all the bottle assets, B-roll assets are important. And now we have our text to video B-roll with Seedance 2.5. In this case, it'll be to add context at the end to this bottle, which, remember, is a product, an iced tea, okay? Which comes from, well, the best, most natural places. And from the food of our product, of our bottle, which is iced tea. So these B-rolls are perfect for us to put it all together later. You'll see. Now let's look at a feature I love, and that's Omni-Reference, where we can add endless images and videos, unlike Seedance 2.0, where we could do a lot, but now with 2.5, it's on another level. Up to 50 assets, 30 images, 10 videos, reference audios, everything. Well, let's go with what we have. And let's hit generate. And what is this video for? Well, it's easy and simple. Mainly so I don't have to repeat myself 40 times about what I want and how I want it, since Seedance 2.5 understands instantly, and I don't have to keep explaining the brand over and over again. And we've asked for a Mediterranean variant, So we have more assets, in this case 10 to 12 seconds long, with the info and all the visuals from the assets we've made so far. Right, and here we can see how it merged the clip between what would be our bottle and our, well, the part with the decoration, and we add the Omni-Reference of our product. But now let's take it to the next level to make the most of this. And what we've done in AI Image, we generate different angles and especially have it generate a media kit for me. And now we have something very interesting, and it's this media kit. It has different images or angles, so to speak, with which we'll be able to make the perfect 30-second video from Seedance 2.5 with CapCut PC. We've also added these reference images to make the final video, all from CapCut PC, as you can see. So once everything is adjusted, and let's let this work its magic. And an Omni-Reference is where we'll use the final video. That means where we're going to put the 30 seconds, where we put all this image packaging. They're actually, well, 20 or so because they refer to many, and obviously 30 seconds, Seedance 2.5. Let's go for it. And well, the time has come to see these 30 seconds, so let's take a look at the final result. I'm watching it for the first time with you guys. Okay. Incredible quality, huh? Even I feel like drinking the Aurea Bloom. How? In the end, what have we achieved with the Omni-Reference? Well, we had 9 images in one set, 9 images in another set with the logo type, what the bottle looked like, and it's put it all together to make this great 30-second video. Well, here we have the entire video that we've generated within CapCut PC with Seedance 2.5 with these 30 seconds. So we have Edit Pilot right down here. You'll see it right here. Well, and do you remember this video that we had previously generated? Well, after the ice thing, this part here doesn't look right anymore. So the first thing we're going to do is open our Edit Pilot, which is the CapCut PC editor, which will help us edit whatever we want, also change zooms, shots. We'll see it now. The first thing is for the video to end at the 9-second mark. So having it cut this whole part would be the simplest task we're going to give it, and then we'll make it more complex. Perfect, it did it for us instantly. And what I want is, if you notice from second 6, that's where the ice is resting. I want it to change to the floor part to put this ice somewhere else. For example, a table or something like that. Well, and the truth is that the result is actually quite good. And well, to show you more Edit Pilot features, I've decided to create this quick clip also of what would be our Aurea Bloom. In this case, there is indeed a narrator. The tea of the moment, refreshing. So what we're going to ask it to do is put subtitles in Spanish, adjust the clip's rhythm to boost the energy from second 5, and add soft premium cinematic style background music and do it all at once. So you understand that Edit Pilot adapts to any video and does whatever you need, thus saving a lot of time. And as you're seeing, it's already getting straight to work on it. You don't need a complex prompt. It just starts generating it. It generates the subtitles, makes the cuts, spaces, noises, everything. And it's completely editable, just as we could edit it with any font we wanted. Makes the readjustments you're asking for and generates it for you without any problem. It also gives me recommended music for the clip. And then we just move on to a whole different vibe. Nature in every single field. In the end, what Edit Pilot does is whatever you want. Change shots, everything we've seen, and much more. Also improve image quality, an endless number of tasks. Let's move on to the next one. Well, and the thing is, in Edit, we can take a clip like the one we have right here, also generated from CapCut PC, of the same product, Aurea Bloom. And in this case, we're going to use AI Edit to change the background directly from the beach to a forest. Yes, just like you heard. And here we have our video completely modified, in this case with the forest background, just as we asked. It supports clips of up to 30 seconds, so for quick interactions, it's the best thing out there right now. And it also works great for campaign variations, because it helps you quickly have different modes of the same product without barely touching a thing. Alright, and now we're going to a section I've really been looking forward to, and that's AI Extend. And what does that mean? that we can extend seconds as much as possible to end up making, for example, a 1.5-minute video, 30 seconds plus 30 seconds plus 30 seconds. And well, what it's going to start doing now is extending my main video of that we had made, obviously, of the bottle entirely here just with AI Extend. In the end, the cool thing is that you decide how the scene continues. So it's like an endless loop, like you're creating a movie, because now we're in the next edit, and then we could generate another one so it has a different finale or a different ending, or obviously another continuation to keep that clip going. And that's the crown jewel, because you can extend your narrative videos up to even 90 seconds, frame by frame, all within the same story. And that's a huge plus for CapCut with AI Extend, AI Edit, the Edit Pilot, all the new stuff they're releasing, along with, of course, Seedance 2.5. Now we'll see the result. And well, with the AI Extended now finished, we have the clip of over 1.5 minutes or close to 1.5 minutes, so it's perfect. Now we just need to see the results. But first, we're going to export it at maximum quality, and I'll show you the results, which I'm telling you are insane. And for that, what we'll do is set the resolution to the highest, of course, and then we export. And when exporting, we'll also be able to generate the size for TikTok. Video size, well, 916. It's another type of export that, for example, we can also use for Reels. And now we can see the final video. This is how it's starting. In a world seeking pure harmony, nature reveals, and here we have the whole AI extended part. All right, with subtitles, now a bit more like a brand ad in this case. And in the end, you realize here that CapCut shines as a traditional editor. Everything Seedance 2.5 generated is now in a multi-track, adding motion graphic overlays. I don't know, in the end, I feel like a great director with everything I've created here. It's true that it took me a few hours, but I'm very happy with the final result we've created from just one image. This image. Botanical freshness, natural well-being. I think this has been a great video to show you a complete CapCut PC workflow with CR 2.5. I feel like you're going to leave here. Maybe the video is 15 minutes long, but you've come out learning a lot and starting right now to also be able to generate your own videos. I'm going to leave the link down here in the description and in the pinned comments so you can download CapCut PC now and start creating these videos yourselves or others that you have in mind and want to bring to the table with CR 2.5. If you like the video, I'd appreciate a comment, a little like to support the channel. Comment with the word CapCut. Comment with the words CapCut PC or CR 2.5 and I'll send you the link directly. With that said, I'll say goodbye. I'm Dotem. That.